How are you all? I hope that you all are fine. My name is Virda Nirali from Saraswati Group of Education, and today in this session number 2 of chapter number 4, that is geometry, we are going to see the construction of line segment and cut off the line for the line segment, right? So these are the topics which we are going to see, but before starting to that topic, let us revise that what we have learned in our previous session. So we have understood some of the definitions, right? Such as point. Point means what? Point in a blank space where you indicate this and with the capital letter, that is known as point. Then comes ray. Ray means the initial point starts and it extends in any of the direction, right? So now we can give this ray a name, and to give another point we need to mark the end. So C and D, and this becomes our ray. Now line can be stretched from both the direction. Ray can be stretched only in one direction, but line can be extended in both the directions, right? Like this way. Then comes line segment. Line segment cannot be extended. It is having it's defined and measured, right? And on both the sides it is having their end points. यहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे उसके end points है. And then comes the point of intersection कि यहाँ से अगर लाइन पास होती है तो यहाँ से ये जो लाइन है वो यहाँ से होके निकली, right? So this point will become the point of intersection. And to denote the line we are going to use small letter such as line L, small l, right? So these are the definitions which we have seen in our previous session. Now we are going to move towards our today's session, that is construction of line segment and the cut off the line, right? So these are the topics which we are going to see in today's session. Okay, so as we have already taken a recap, and now we are going to learn about the construction of line segments. Like just now only we have taken a recap of everything that what we have learned in our previous session, right? That what is line, what is ray, what is line segment, and everything we have seen, right? What is point of intersection, line segment, and everything we have seen. So now we are going to see the construction of line segment. अगर आपको line segment जो है वो construct करनी है तो आप वो कैसे करेंगे? So to draw a line, अगर for example अगर आपको बोला जाए कि आपको line segment draw करनी है AB with length 8 cm, 8 cm की line segment AB आपको draw करनी है. So then how will you going to draw that? So to draw a line segment, first of all you need to have some of the things with you. आपके पास कुछ चीजें already होनी चाहिए. So what are the things which you need to have? First let us see that. You must have a paper, a blank paper, or कोई notebook का blank page भी चलेगा, any of the notebook or a blank paper. As I am taking for now a blank paper with me, right? Now you need to have a rounder. See, this is the rounder, right? So you need to have this rounder, then a pencil, scale, and eraser. So these are the things which you need to have with you, which is very much important to be with you when you are constructing a line segment or any of the things related to geometry. These are the most important things which you need to have with you, right? Which is very much important to have with you. So now let us start. Here we have been told that we are supposed to draw a line segment AB of length 8 cm. So how we are going to do that? See, here it is written, place the ruler on the page of your notebook. So what is the first step? That the first step is we are supposed to place a ruler. We are supposed to place a ruler on the page, right? Now we need to hold it firmly. आपको ठीक से इसे पकड़ना है, right? So that कि आपकी जो ruler है वो हिले नहीं. See, I have hold it. Now mark 2 points. अब हमें 2 points mark करने हैं. So 1 point at 0 centimeter mark. तो यहाँ पे 0 कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे. तो 0 सेंटीमीटर पे हम एक पॉइंट मार्क करेंगे, राइट? एंड अदर एट 8 सेंटीमीटर. अब दूसरा जो है वो 8 सेंटीमीटर पे. तो यहाँ पे जो 8 लिखा है वहां पे हम दूसरा पॉइंट मार्क करेंगे. सी, जस्ट नाउ एज आई हैव डिड 1 point at 0 centimeter and 1 point at 8 centimeter. Now, and students, when you doing this, use a sharp pencil. आपकी जो पेंसिल है वो शार्प होनी चाहिए. आप उसे शार्पन कर लेना, ठीक है? And draw a line joining the 2 points. आप ये पॉइंट्स मार्क कर दो, फिर आप एक कनेक्टेड उसकी एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर दो. सी, तो ये जो है फिर आप ये यहाँ पे पॉइंट कर दो and give this as a line segment A and line segment B, right? This is line segment A and B. So यहाँ पे जो edges है, यहाँ उन दोनों edges पे आप हमें points mark करके we need to give the name as point A and B. And now remove the ruler. So AB is the required line segment of length 8 centimeter. राइट? सो ऐसे ही अगर आपको कोई भी लाइन सेगमेंट बनाने के लिए बोला जाए तो आपको ठीक ऐसे ही आपको ड्रॉ करनी है, राइट? आई होप इज इट easy to do. Now let us turn our page and see what is next. So the next is to cut off a line segment of required length on a given line. But before moving to that topic, let us revise this topic with some of the examples. अब ये line segment जो construction of line segment वाला topic है, first of all we are going to revise that only with 3 or 4 some of the examples, right? So we will take the examples from your exercise only. So here in your question number 1 it is written, draw line segments of the following length. Now here the lengths are given 3.7 centimeter. Now here the 3.7 centimeter is there. So what are you supposed to do? Place the ruler, hold it firmly. First you will mark the point at 0 centimeter, 0. Then you will mark the point 3. After marking the point 3, अब आपको यहाँ से अब रूलर पे you can see the small linings over here. So what you are supposed to do? That count the lines, 7 तक आपको काउंट करना है, फिर वहाँ पे आपको जो अपना पॉइंट है वो मार्क करना है, because our length is 3.7 centimeter, right? So after 3 count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See, this 5 is this one, the big line. Then 6 and 7. So this is 3.7 centimeter. So I have marked this point. Now draw the line. After drawing the line, take the ruler and mark the points on both the edges and give the name. As for now, I am giving the name P and Q. So this becomes our line segment PQ, and write also the centimeter, 3.7 centimeter. This is 8 centimeter. Right? Now if it is said as 4.8 centimeter. So again place the ruler, hold it firmly, then mark the point first of all at 0, then other at 4, and 4 point how many centimeter? It is 8. So after 4 count 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So here comes 8. If your pencil is sharp, then and then only it will be easy to mark the point. अदरवाइज अगर आपका पॉइंट थिक होगा तो वो मिक्स हो जाएगा सेंटीमीटर में. सो ऑलवेज कीप योर पेंसिल शार्प ओनली. सो नाउ draw the line. Now remove the ruler. Now mark the points on both the edges and give the name A and B and write the centimeter 4.8 centimeter. Right? So I hope that you all understand it well, that how to construct a line segment of the following lengths. Right? Now we are going to see to cut off a line segment of required length on a given line. कि अगर आपको लाइन सेगमेंट कोई बीच में से कट ऑफ करनी है, हमारी जो लाइन दी गई है, एक लाइन इज गिवन और लाइन में से आपको एक लाइन सेगमेंट कट करके निकालना है, then how we are going to do that? So let us see that now. Now I am going to take another paper, right? So now you can see, first of all we are going to draw a line. पहले तो हम एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर लेंगे, ठीक है. यहाँ पे सी हमने एक बड़ी सी यहाँ पे लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली, और जब लाइन होती है देन इट इज इनफाइनाइट, राइट. सो वो वहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे एरोज होंगे, एज वी ऑल नो दैट. So now we are going to give this line a name, line L. And to denote a line, we are going to use a small letter. As we all know that, as I've already explained this thing in our previous session also, and we have also recalled this thing, right? That to denote the line, we are going to use small letter. So we have drawn a line and we have given the name line L. Now you are required to cut off a line segment CD. अब हमें लाइंस में से लाइन सेगमेंट CD कट करना है, कट ऑफ करना है. Of length, how much length? Of length 7.3 centimeter. Right? 7.3 centimeter की लाइन जो हमें कट ऑफ करनी है. तो now अब हम क्या करेंगे? So mark a point on the line L and name it as C. पहले तो आपको रूलर लेके पॉइंट मार्क करना है, राइट. कि आप पॉइंट मार्क कैसे करेंगे? So first of all, now what you are supposed to do? Take your rounder, then put this pencil in your rounder. Now see, the level is same. Then tighten this. अब इससे टाइट कर लो so that your pencil does not move. After doing this, keep another pencil also so that you can mark the line easily. So now I am going to mark this. So here it is 0. So I have marked 0 and we are going to, हमें 7.3 सेंटीमीटर की लाइन सेगमेंट कट ऑफ करनी है. So 0 से लेके यहाँ 7 and C 1, 2 and 3. Yes. So here we have marked 7.3. Right? अब हमें इसे कट ऑफ करना है. So कैसे करेंगे? How we are going to measure that? Take this ruler. Isse, now you need to broad this. Hold it. Place this first point at 0. Now the second point को लेके अब हमें थोड़ा इसे broad कर देना है. See, this we have marked. This is 7.3 centimeter. अब आपको यहाँ पे एक लाइन ड्रॉ कर देनी है. यहाँ पे तो हमने जो पॉइंट बनाया है, see this point, see we have marked this point, right? So fix a sharp pencil. आपको Again, I am repeating the same thing that you are supposed to fix a sharp pencil in the compass and then you are supposed to stretch it on the ruler. Just now as we did, हमने stretch किया ruler पे so that the metal point is at 0 centimeter कि ये जो metal का point है वो 0 centimeter पे mark हो and the pencil point is at 7.3 centimeter mark. Now carefully place the metal point at C and mark a point D. और फिर आपको यहाँ पे point D मार्क करना है. C तो हमने कर लिया, अब आपको point D मार्क करना है. So CD is the required line segment of length 7.3 centimeter. Right? अब आपको बोला जाए that draw a line segment of 6 centimeter. तो भी आपको आना चाहिए कि एक आपको लाइन ड्रॉ करनी है एंड फिर उसमें से नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक सम ऑफ द एग्जांपल्स फ्रॉम द एक्सरसाइज. सो यू कैन इन द एक्सरसाइज यू कैन सी द क्वेश्चन 2 इज ड्रॉ अ लाइन M. तो पहले तो आपको लाइन M ड्रॉ करनी है. ये हमने लाइन ड्रॉ कर ली, राइट, एंड वी आर गोइंग टू गिव द नेम M. नाउ place the ruler, then now place the metal point at 0 and see line segment AB 6.2 की हमें करनी है. So पहले तो आपकी ये small है, right? Now 0 पे आप ये metal point fix करो और पेंसिल को stretch करते जाओ. Stretch, stretch, stretch. 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6, 6. Yes. Now it is 6. Now 2 points more. 1 and 2. Yes, we have marked. Now please remove the ruler and mark the point. Yes. We have marked the point. Right? So, the point which we have marked, so this becomes your A, 0 will become your A and this will become your B and this will become AB with length 6.2 centimeter. Right? So, ऐसे ही आपको next question है draw a line and then cut off a line segment XY of 5.5 centimeter on it. कि आपको ऐसे ही लाइन N ड्रॉ करनी है और 5.5 का जो लाइन सेगमेंट है कट ऑफ अ लाइन सेगमेंट तो आपको ऐसे ही ड्रॉ करना है. उसके बाद ड्रॉ अ लाइन Q, देन कट ऑफ 2 लाइन सेगमेंट्स, 2 लाइन सेगमेंट को कट ऑफ करना है EF and FG centimeter in the same direction. Measure EG. Is EG is equals to EF plus FG? So what it is saying? So here it is said कि आपने जो यहाँ पे लाइन सेगमेंट ड्रॉ की तो पहले तो आपने 4.6 की अब दूसरी है 5.4 की तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक आएगी. सेम डायरेक्शन में वी आर गोइंग टू मूव, राइट? So you are supposed to measure that in that way only. Let us do that. So first of all, draw line Q. So this is line Q. Right? Now, after joining the line Q, cut off 2 line segments. पहले तो 2 line segments हमें cut off करनी है. But first we will cut off this one only. That is EF is equals to 4.6. EF. So first we will place the ruler, right? Mark the point at 0 and now 4.6. So place the metal point at 0 and 4.6. Yes. So we have marked the point. Here it is 4.6. That is EF 4.6 centimeter. Now another one is FG is equals to 5.4 centimeter. तो 0 कहाँ पे हमने मार्क किया था? यहाँ पे. सो अब 5.4 तो वो यहाँ पे आ जाएगा, right? And now stretch this. Okay. So this becomes our okay. So what we have done, we have taken from E to this, but what we are supposed to do here, it is said that FG जो है वो हमें 5.4 लेना है. So अब F जो है वो हमारा 0 वाला पॉइंट रहेगा, एंड अब उसी डायरेक्शन में हमें आगे 5.4 लेना है. So mark 5.4, right? So now this is 5.4 FG. Now measure EG. अब EG का सेंटीमीटर टोटल क्या होता है? That becomes 10. So EG equals to EF plus FG. ये EG is equals to EF plus FG. Yes, because उसका जो टोटल होता है वो 10 होता है. Yes. तो ऐसे ही आपको जो है वो आपको ड्रॉ कट ऑफ करनी है लाइन सेगमेंट. ओके. Now in the next question it is said draw a line L and cut off line segment PQ is equals to 8 centimeter on it. 8 centimeter PQ line segment आपने draw की. Now cut off another line segment QR 4.4 centimeter. अब आपको दूसरी line segment draw करनी है 4.4 centimeter QR in the opposite direction. ये तो हमने same direction में की. अब जो दूसरी है वो हमें opposite direction में करनी, यानी कि अब हमें यहाँ से करनी है, right? So वो क्या हो जाएगा? वो हमारा opposite direction हो जाएगा. Okay? And then measure PR. So what do you find? वो आपको आंसर अपना लिखना है. ठीक है? So in this way you are supposed going to solve these questions. I hope you all understand it well. And what are the things you need to have with you when you are going to solve the sums related to geometry? A compass, that is rounder, a pencil, one extra pencil, ruler यानी कि scale, and one eraser, right? Okay, so I hope that you have seen and you have understood everything what I have taught you regarding today's topic, right? Now I am going to send you the worksheet which you are supposed to solve it in your book. And still, if you have any doubt while solving the exercise, you can first of all you just go through the video again, or else you can ask me in the comment section also. So this is all about today's session, and I hope that you all enjoyed this session well. So now until we meet again in the next session, till then, bye everyone. Thank you and take good care of yourself.